Ladies and gentlemen, we have a tuned 340i here on E. We have the owner here that's going to give you a quick rundown on the car.
My name's Caden. This is my Gen 1 B58. In 3-liter inline 6, pushes 336 horsepower from the factory. Right now I got downpipe, intake, tune, some supporting mods, nothing too crazy. Got engine tune, transmission tune. Should be pushing somewhere around 450 to 5 to the wheels. Guess we'll see, but yeah, let's get going.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my 2020 Porsche 718 Cayman S, right? From factory, makes 350. It is tuned, so it does make a little bit around 4, but it is absolutely light as hell, and it does come with that PDK transmission. It is a 2.5 liter flat 4 with a PDK with shitty tires on it, but it works. Mid-engine, not rear engine. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have a very exciting race. We have my Porsche versus my buddy's tuned and modified BMW 340i. We have a 4-cylinder with a turbo versus an inline 6 with a turbo and mods. So, I don't know how this is going to turn out. The launch, I'm going to lose. Definitely going to lose launch, I think. Off a drag, but I think off the 40 roll, I think I'm going to get him at least a little bit.
Oh, I didn't get Ricky. Fuck, he's gonna hate me for that. That was instant.
I'm gonna roll this bitch up.
Alright, let's get you motherfuckers ready. Alright.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we lost the drag race, right? All 3 races that we did and the blooper, we lost. But it's 40 roll time from 40 miles an hour. Wait for it to get straight. Are you ready? Damn, boy.
Listen, technically the 340 won more races. That's all I'm gonna say. 0-2 on the, or not the drags, the rolls. 0-2. So I'm 3 for 3 on the digs. 3 for 3. So obviously my launch is much more aggressive than his, given I am all-wheel drive, he's two-wheel drive, so it makes sense, but I don't know, it's just power to weight, baby. Power to weight, that's all that matters. I don't know, I got you on that last one.
Good job.
Hey, I won more races technically. All right, I'm 3 for 3 on the dig, and I'm 1 for 3 on the rolls.
Listen, that's 2 out of 3. It was over after the second one.
What are you talking about?
It was over after the second one. It was over after
Listen,
the second one. That's 2 out of 3, and it was over after the second one.
All right, you guys decide. You decide what it is. Exactly.
Who actually won, right? For the drags, it was clear that BMW won. For the rolls, it was clear the Porsche won, except for that third one. I'm gonna say I fucked up on the launch. I'm gonna pull that.
All right.
Okay. Alright.
That's just power to weight. We'll win every single time. Technically, I won 4 races. He's won 2. That's all I'm gonna say. Overall, who's better? You guys decide.
And I'm still, honestly, I can't pick one. It's 50-50.
50-50?
Yes, I think we're going with 50 because I don't know what Robbie saw, but it was very even both ways. Neither car was technically left in the dust. Both managed to keep up with each other pretty well, but it at that point all comes down to the driver and how they control their car.
I'm going to have to go probably with what he said too. The digs, Caden had that. The BMW had that. The drags, he took off on you. But if we're going to go rolls, you had that as well. It's evenly split, but if I had to choose a decider, probably the BMW. Just because those drags, he took off.
Yeah.
Even though he spun, he took off on you.
That traction control is different, or that launch is different.
Oh yeah, it's a lot more different.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just did drag races from a dig, and we just did roll races as well. Caden, what are your thoughts on your success and your losses?
I know it's going to be controversial. It's going to be controversial for sure. I knew. I mean, obviously we have 4-wheel drive versus 2-wheel drive. One weighs more than the other. One's a 4-door sedan. One's a coupe. So I mean, it's very controversial as to what's better, what's faster, my thoughts personally, it kind of went as expected, but I don't know.
Honestly, I think the most surprising thing is that my little 4-cylinder with the turbo can keep up with your modified inline 6. Even though you weigh more, and even though you have 2 more doors, and you have all-wheel drive. I think that's honestly the most impressive thing. And you spun too.
I did.
You spun too.
I spun all 4 on the launch.
Like that is insane. If you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching. This video took a lot of effort and took a lot of work. Please consider hit the subscribe button and like button. The videos will improve over time. Huge shout out to Robbie and Mason, our buddies in the video. And huge shout out to Caden for letting me race his BMW. Great sportsmanship like conduct. Is all for jokes. Is all for memes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And have a good day. Bye-bye.